Oh yeah, boys. Got me a movie to watch today. Today I'm gonna watch God is a Bullet. You've got I can't pronounce that. Um Micah Mondro, whatever. Oh, Jamie Foxx. Looks pretty good. About to pop this bad boy open and check it out. Looks pretty cool. Huh. Storyline about it. It's got the stupid cover thing on it where get rid of that. Yeah, if you can read it. You can see it. I don't know how well. 2.5 hours long. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. It's gonna be good. Seen the trailer for it. Looks crazy.